Hey friends, this is Atif your Val and welcome to the new update on TrueFi. In my earlier videos, I was showing you this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, you can see that we had a nice pump, and after the rejection by this long-term resistance of 14.7 cents, the price was testing this long-term support of 7 cents, and now we have broken down this support as well. And by the way, this was my last video that I shared with you. And now, TrueFi is testing the next long-term support of 6 cents. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, this 6 cents has been previously breaking as a support here, and resistance here. And right now, the price line is testing the support once again. And during this move to the downside, we have also broken down this very long-term uptrend line support as well. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that this uptrend line support is coming from the month of August 2023. We had stable touch points here, then we had a nice bounce, then we had another bounce here, another bounce, and after the breakdown, the price then again broke it out here in the month of November 2024. And since then, it was again working as a support. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. You can see that the price then after the breakdown, tried to break it out but got rejected. And now it's dropped down at the next support of 6 cents. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term down channel as well. You can see that after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that it was almost 794%, almost 800% pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance of 20 cents. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup for Renzo, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup, I shared on 27th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had a nice short pump. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to here, it was almost 176% pump, but the pricing could not break out this long-term resistance of 14.7 cents. This 14.70 cents has been previously breaking other resistance here. Let me to show you on the 7 day time frame chart. And you can see that even before that, this 14.7 cents has been breaking as a support here for several weeks when it was moving inside this channel. After the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance. And after the breakout from this channel, we got stable ejections. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4. For 4 weeks, it has been breaking as a resistance. And now again, it worked as a very strong resistance. Right now, we have broken down this uptrend line support, and this support can be flipped into a resistance. In fact, it is flipped into a resistance. You can see that the price and it's rejected. And now we are testing this very significant support of 6 cents. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. And by the way, if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we have recently found another downtrend line resistance as well. You can see that we got rejection here, then we got rejection here, and now we also need to break it out in order to continue this move to the downside. Then we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 24 cents. And if the price then will be recovered after testing this key support of 6 cents, then we may see that sooner or later the price then can hit that target. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that despite this almost 800% pump, the price could not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel. That target is here at the top of this channel. That is approximately at $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.